Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Gonna make a burger today, a beef burger. I'm calling this the Jesus Christ burger because when someone saw it, they went, Jesus Christ. So I thought that was a good name. Let's get on with it. Okay, super easy. I've got some ground or minced beef there. About 600 grams, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs. I like the egg and the breadcrumb in there. It kind of just helps it bind together. And then I've got in there salt, pepper, paprika, and chili powder. Simply, I'm going to give that a quick mix. Okay, ground beef, 1 egg, a little bit of breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, chili and paprika. In we go. Got a nice glove on there. Back in a minute or two. Okay, so I've given that a nice squeeze and got that blended together. Now, if you wanted garlic powder, onion powder, chopped onions, some fresh other herb in there, up to you what you want to go with. I'm just going with salt, pepper, chili and paprika. What we've got is a nice meat there. The breadcrumbs and the egg is going to help it really sort of stay together. And again, you can do it without if you want. I mean, you don't have to put that in, but I just like it in there. Simply, we're going to form some burgers now. Okay, so I had 600 grams, roughly, of the meat. So we've got 200 grams each. Now, I've got one of these little press things, you know. You pop it in, bang, bang, bang. As you can see, it gives it some marks and keeps them uniform. If you want, you can just do it by hand or get yourself a bowl or a cup or something. Now, look, you can see that they're pretty tasty in their thickness. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so I've got a skillet or a pan, frying pan, whatever you call it. I've got a little bit of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, just a touch, you don't need too much. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop these bad boys in there. Look, they're thick and crazy. These are not thin boys, I tell you. They're really nice and thick. In they go. So I'm on a medium heat. I don't want it too high because they're just going to burn on the outside and be raw in the middle. I kind of want them evenly cooked. Some people do like them like that, so that's up to you. Cook it how you want. I'm going to flip these over a few times. They're probably going to take about 7 to 8 minutes, but you cook them exactly how you like your burgers. Looking absolutely beautiful. Now what you can do if you want, get a skewer. Give it a little prod. See that? Bit of juice is coming out. See that? Yeah, that's beauty. Okay, don't put it too much. You don't want all the juice to come out, but a little bit is going to help it cook all the way through. Because like I say, these are just really nice and thick. So once you feel that they're ready, I feel that they're ready. What we're going to do is turn off the heat. I'm going to put some cheese on now. Now, I'm using an Edam. You could use a cheddar or something different if you want. On that goes. Heat's off, lid on, 2 minutes. That's going to melt really nicely. Then we're going to go for the build. So we've got onions, fried onions, lettuce, tomato, bacon, mustard, mayo, ketchup. Fantastic. So I've got a regular sesame white bun. Use a different bread if you want. Lightly toasted. Here we go. Ketchup. With a mix of mayo, which I think is known as a cowboy sauce. Is that correct? I don't really know. I think some of you guys call that that. Look at that. Beautiful. Now what I've got here is I've got some pickled jalapeno. You could be using some cucumber relish or something like that. I like this. Nice and spicy. And to that, I'm going to add fried onions. So do you put your salad in now, your lettuce and tomato now or on top? Some people put it now, some people put it on top. Because these are so big, I'm going to put ours on top because it will kind of unbalance it. So there goes one of our absolutely beautiful burgers. To that I'm going to add a little bit of bacon. And again, let's try and get a beautiful burger on there. Bloody hell. A little bit more. Fried onions. Wow, wow, wow. It's like a balancing act, this, isn't it? A bit more bacon on there. Couple of slices of tomato. Iceberg lettuce, which I actually love in a burger. Iceberg is the one for me. Okay. So all I've got is my toasted top. And with that, we're going to go mayo. And mustard. A little mix. We're going to put that on the top. Scooby-Doo would love that. Okay, and there you go, completely over the top. I've actually had to put a skewer in the top all the way down to keep the thing together. A tower burger, like I say, Scooby-Doo would absolutely love that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thumbs ups is a great idea for us. Leaving the comments, great. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.